Hey guys, what's up? This is Zireael and welcome back to Cosplay Genie. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I made my Ciri Zireal from Witcher 3. So let's just not waste time and dive into the video.
So these are the materials that would be required for a Ciri Zireal and a foam sheet. Now I'm going to divide the paper into 3 parts and pasting it all together so that I can draw the pattern of the Zireal onto the sheet. So now I'm just roughly drawing the pattern of the Zireal and then with the help of a marker drawing the fair pattern so that I can cut it easily. Now with the help of a masking tape, I'm gonna place it onto the foam sheet so that it does not move and cut it out easily. So now I have 3 foam patterns here and I'm going to place these binding wires between the sheets so that I can make my Ciri Zireal stiff and strong. And then just glue it all together. And with the help of a sanding paper, I'm going to sand it to give it a smooth and even finish. Yes, just like this. Now heat sealing is really important. Now coating my Zireal with a thick layer of Fevicol. Covering all parts of it. Here I am making the top part of the Zireal and then covering it with a layer of Fevicol. With the help of a binding wire, I am making the upper part of the Zireal stiff and then filling foam clay between the gaps. Yes, just like this. And rolling it all over to give it a smooth and nice finish. First I am using white spray paint and afterwards covering it with silver paint. Now adding brown rope onto the neck of the Zireal and placing it with the help of a glue gun. And now it's time to work on the cover. Give it a basic shape with the help of a foam sheet and glue it all together. Here I am giving it a nice shape with the help of a pair of scissors and then sanding it afterwards to give it a smooth finish, of course. Heat sealing is a must. First I will use white spray paint and then I will cover it with red spray paint. Wow, it looks amazing. And then I'm going to draw the basic shape and patterns over it. Yes, just like this with the help of black paint. I also wanted to give it a leather finish. For that, I am going to put some brown shade onto the foam and dab it all over the cover. With the help of a glue gun, I'm going to place this rope all around the cover. In order to hang the Zireal around my shoulder, I am going to use another piece of rope and placing the velcro at the ends. Yes, just like this, and it's done.
So here it is. I hope you guys like this tutorial and let me know in the comments down below what do you want me to make in my next cosplay video, and do not forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye and take care.